Hello, thanks for watching the video. So I'm going to be cooking some eggs in the egg pod. Now I've done this a lot now in the last 3 weeks, I guess, since I've owned this. Really like this. Haven't had any trouble with it. Works great. Takes about 10 minutes overall time to do this, and you have 4 eggs at a time that are perfectly hard boiled. Now I use a microwave, a smaller microwave on high, so that may vary according to what kind of microwave you have. But here's the egg pod right here, and you have little clamps here, silicone clamps that go over here and on the other side to lock it in place. Yeah, here's the inside of the egg pod. Now you can take this metal piece off and clean it if you want to. Put it back in place and then slide it over and it locks in. Alright, you can also clean this as well. The bottom, now here's where you put your eggs at. To do this, you need to fill the bottom with water. See the holes where the eggs are going to be at? The water needs to come just to those holes. Maybe you can see where it says full line. Alright, so they do give you a little scoop. I still have it. And you fill this up with water to like right here, I believe. And then that should be the perfect amount. But if you don't have that, and I never use that, I just run a little bit of water underneath or on top of the egg pod. That should be enough right there. Maybe too much. And so I just let some drain, and that is just about enough right there. May add just a few more drops. That should be good. And I think we're good before, so let's go with something like that. All right, let's get our eggs. So we have some large eggs here. What you want to make sure is there's no cracks in them at all. Okay, and just put them in place. And look closely, because sometimes the crack may not be on the top. So, and what would happen was it would just cook. The egg would break if it had a crack in it, and just it would be hard. You know, the yolk would be hard on the outside of the shell. Okay, so we have the eggs in here. So we take the top part, push it down, and we're going to seal it into here. Okay, and line up the side, and then push down. Take your clamp, silicone, so it's just a soft rubber. All right, it's locked in place. We're good to go. So now take it straight over to the microwave. All right, so I'm taking it and putting it on the outside of the glass instead of the center. You can probably put it in the center, but that's just what I'm used to doing. And they say 9 minutes cook time. I'm going to put 10 minutes. Okay, so that's worked really good. 9 minutes worked pretty well, worked good for me, but I think 10 works better with this old microwave. And then we just wait. Okay, our cook time is up, and this is going to be really hot, so we need to let it sit and cool for about 2 minutes. Sometimes I'll try to do it a little bit earlier, maybe with a glove on or something. But yeah, don't burn yourself. Just give it a little time to cool off. Here now it's cooled some, so taking it over to the sink. And we're gonna unlatch it. Okay. Keep the eggs upright. All right, now under the sink we're going to wash it in cold water for about 2 minutes. Let me put something underneath here. All right, so that should be good enough. And what we're going to do is leave the water in the bottom portion. Let's put our eggs back upright, best we can anyway. Put the top back on. Clamp it back down. This top is still pretty hot. But clamp it back down. Okay, like that. All right, now what we do is we shake this. Wow, they say 10 times. Now you don't want to shake it like you're shaking a protein shake or something. That will completely destroy the eggs. Just want to kind of give it a firm shake. I'll try to demonstrate that. So let me set you up on a tripod. All right, so yeah, just kind of like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can kind of hear that the shells have broken. At that point, you can actually take it out or take them out. So yeah, I can feel I don't hear a big clanking sound anymore. All right, so here's our eggs. See, I actually busted it up too much. You'll get the hang of it. I guess I was over concentrating since I was making a video, but yeah, it's not a big deal really. So there we go, egg 2. Okay, so here we go with removing the shell. That's it. Perfect hard-boiled egg. We're going to check the yolk out in just a second. Okay, here's our hard-boiled eggs. Let's take a look inside. All right, so perfect. Okay, so eggs are finished. Here's what we have left over. I had some water that I just drained out that was remaining in here. At that point, I just kind of put it over here to let the rest drain out. And then here's the top, and it's looking good. Didn't even have to wash it. So that'll be it for Egg Pod. Cook and peel eggs in minutes. That is true. It took about 10 minutes. Overall time, probably 12 minutes with cooling and then running under water. And peeling, maybe 13 minutes total time. They say 9 minutes, so try 9 minutes if you got a pretty good or newer microwave. But worked very well. And that was my first time, by the way. I've used this, like I said, I've probably used this about 15 times now because I like eggs, and this is a very simple way for me to make them, and so I've really been enjoying it. So hopefully you will too. Till next time, have a nice day. Take care.